What's up, YouTube? Pastor Bob. We're going to take a look outside. See what's going on with this blizzard. Oh, good Lord, look at that. It's kind of snowy out. Whoa. Listen to that. Yikes. Well, it just started a few hours ago. And they say it's supposed to get worse today. Not so much snow we got. It's about maybe 10 inches so far. Kind of wanted to show you guys. Let's see if we can knock this off here a little bit. Got the power lines. Power lines are weighted right now. Yeah, it's looking pretty rough. Ooh, listen to that one. So, there you have it. It's real. It's snowy. Yep, she's a blowing. I wanted to show you what I was doing in Rhode Island. It's nasty out there. Oh my God. Yep. As long as we don't lose any power, I'll be alright. We lose the power, then I gotta go out now and start the generator. Oh no. And I gotta plow that. Yeah, not looking sexy. Alright, guys. Be safe out there. Take care. God bless. Bundle up. Stay inside. Stay off the roads. It's terrible if you live in New England. It's not worth it. Really. Don't be a pinhead. Alright, guys. Love you all. Take care. God bless. This is Pastor Bob. I'm out of here.